Okay, she's on.
The unveiling of kind of horrors await. Oh yeah, look at that. Houston, I think we have a problem. Holy shit. That's foobard. That's really, really foobard. Get it from this angle here. It's real bad back here. Okay. This probably shouldn't be way up there. I'm guessing it should be down here. Oh yeah. That's just plain sexy. I knew we had a fucking problem. Once I saw this. Once I saw that, I knew I had issues. Actually, I knew beforehand, but that was the confirmation. Wow. That is just so bad. Oh yeah. Makes me want to touch myself.